Hello, little yogis! I'm so happy you are here today. Don't forget to smile and have fun. Today we are going to move, stretch, and feel strong, calm, and happy. Roll out your mat, take a deep breath, let's get started. Let's begin! Let's be a little frog. Squat down and stay balanced. Round your back like a sleepy kitty. Step your wide, bend one knee, and stretch to the side. Stretch your legs up like a tall candle. Let's make a bow shape. Sit like a calm little Buddha. Be a strong cobra. Lift your chest and stretch. Lift your body and be a strong crab walking on the beach. Make a rainbow with your body. Lift your chest and legs, fly like a superhero. Drop your belly, look up like a happy cow. Let's stretch like a monkey in the jungle. Let's be a strong dolphin. Keep your body straight and balance like a dolphin in the ocean. Let's be a big camel. Open your chest and look up. Bend your neck and sit like on a chair. Stand tall like a strong tree. Bring your feet together, hold them tight. Open your knees like butterfly wings. Balance like a sailboat on the sea.